Huge tricolor measuring 2,500 feet was carried by people at Chikkaballapur as a part of walkathon organized by district administration on Friday. Thousands of students took part, covering a distance of over 5 kilometers. Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar inaugurated the event and called upon the people to actively take part in Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan to mark the 75th year of independence. Manasa Prashant of Good Shepherd School, who took part in the event, expressed happiness at the initiative and opined that it would go a long way in imbibing patriotism among the youth. As reported by Deepthi R. Kolar for Salar.